Hello, student. Um, Earlier, we have used the system for doing all the assignments in the practical assignments a lot. But maybe most of the students doesn't have the system laptops at home. So what they will do, they will not study, they will not practice all the sessions and everything. Okay, they will do that one. So how they will do? So for that reason you have to install one application in your mobile phone, that is a word applications. Okay, so from the play store itself you will go to the play store, type word, Microsoft Word, you will install that and you can reopen it. Okay, so I have already reopened this Word document. So this is my document 6 I'm using. In case of you, if you are doing the first, then it will be a document number 1. So today, by using this Word document, I will be teaching you that how you can prepare a flow chart. Okay, so preparing a flow chart today, I will show you how you can do that over here. Okay, so already you know the flowchart is nothing but a graphical representation and of a problem solution. Whatever we have done in the algorithm part, so that diagrammatically or graphically is represented by using a different shape. Each shape have some distinct meaning is there. So you know the meaning of those steps. So today we will make this kind of a flow chart, how to draw the flow chart. Okay, so today we will be making a flowchart for actually a flowchart to convert temperature that is given in a Fahrenheit, and we will try to convert into the Celsius one. Okay, so how we will do that? Uh, check, there is a triangular buttons over there, that is for home tab. It is showing for home tab, but whenever we need these shapes, the shapes are not present in the home tab. Where it is present, it is present in the insert tab. So you will search over here, that is you are able to find out the option called shapes. Under the shape you will be available shapes is there. Okay, you click on it, you are able to check these lines, triangles, circulars, ovals. Okay, all the different kinds of shapes that you require, that is already present over here. What kind of a arrow, plus, minus, multiplication, division, whatever you want, it is already present over here, and from that you can choose. Okay, so first of all, I need a oval shape over here. This already they have make it for flowchart. The shapes under flowchart, your shapes are different, shapes are available. Okay, I'm taking this shape, you will select on this one. Okay, and you will drag it. Okay, and resizing it, by resizing it whatever you want. Okay, and there is an insert option is there. So if you want to insert some text under this, that you can do it. Okay, I'm changing the rotation, so that here you also can insert a diff zip, or else do you want, you can delete it. Okay, you select it, and here is the option called add text option is coming. If you do, and here you can write down this text over here. Okay, here you can type a different type of shapes as well. Okay, so this is the first one I am drawing for this one. Let me change and keep it in on a center. Okay, and now after that we just see, we can, here we can write down start. Okay, so we have written, and now you want another shapes also. We need the shapes for a rectangle one. Okay, so again insert tab, and then shape under the flow chart. Shapes are there under flowchart shapes, we will take. Okay, this one I required, so this one I have taken, and so I select add text I will do. So I will when I declare it, that is capital F is also equals to 0, comma that is C, that is for Celsius, is also initially 0. So how these two are connected? So these two might be connected using a line. So that line we have to draw. Okay, you are able to see these arrow shapes are there. Okay, little arrow shapes, you can move it whenever you want. I'm keeping it aside and make it small, and I'm trying to putting over here as much as easily as possible. Okay, so there is a arrow indications we have done. Okay, next there is a rectangle shape. This is a rectangle shape. Then is a parallelogram shape we require, because insertion of inputs can be done only using a parallelogram. So we are using a parallelogram over here. Okay, here again we will do this add text options, and we will write over here directly, that is read. We have to read the formula F from the user. So we have taken another most time that again we will require this arrow symbol, otherwise we cannot showcase that the formulation. So here to here we will draw. And we will try to extend it as much as possible. Okay, as much as possible, and we can also drag it and pull it pull it over pull it over here. Okay, so in this way one shape has been done. Then there is a rectangular shapes we will take, that is used for another purpose, that is for the calculation purpose. Okay, so again for the calculations purpose that we required over here, we will take again do the add text, that is here we will write down over here that a formula that is required. C is equals to, what is the formula? It is F minus 32, right? Minus 32, then there is a multiplication symbol is there, uh, 5 divided by 9. Okay, so this is how we have done. Again the we required some shapes for the lining purpose to show the data structures that is required. First of all, try to adjust. It is very difficult over here, this adjustment of the symbols. Okay, you have to be careful while showing you those arrows. Okay, then we will do the right option. We have to print it, and for printing we need another parallelogram shapes. Okay, another parallelogram shape, we make it a little bit smaller, because otherwise it can be fitted, it cannot be fitted in a page. We try to resize each and every step. So what will happen, the resizing, if it is take place, then we will get the more places to write down. We can minimize the space. As we can minimize the space, we can adjust the different things also. So here we will select and add text. Here we will write the print statement. We have to write print value, print C value we have to print. Okay, so print C we have done. Now the last step that we have, that is for stop purpose, the same thing, same phenomenon we will use. We will drag a little bit and add text over there, that is stop or end, whichever you feel like you can do. And we try to adjust it over here. And now there's the lines are only left for the showing up of arrow. You make it correct and then you come out with these options. Okay. Then another arrow required. So in this way you can make it the flowchart in your phone. I hope you understand. Thank you, student.